Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com. And today I'm showing you this technique called the floating circle technique. You can see the strips are on a window sheet and raised up with some foam strips. So let's get started. These are the pieces that you're going to need to create this card. Oops, dropped the circle. So we'll start with a card base measuring 4 1/4 by 11, scored at 5 1/2. A piece of cardstock measuring 4 by 5 1/4. A piece of basic white measuring 3 7/8 by 5 1/8. A circle, I used the circle that measures 2 3/4 diameter from the layering circles out of the window sheet, and then just a variety of strips. So let me get the measurements out. And we'll fold this where it's been scored. Burnish it with your bone folder. We're going to go ahead and adhere this. Excuse my reach. I put the T on the Stampin' sale to remind me where the top goes. So we can go ahead and put adhesive here. Sometimes you have to get it started. And then we're going to go ahead and emboss the basic white with the cane weave 3D embossing. I already did that, so I'll just bring that piece in. Isn't that lovely? And then we'll go ahead and glue that on. And here's the fun part of the floating circle. I just kind of did random strips, and I love that I can use my scraps to kind of measure and eye it to see how many strips I needed, what order, did I want to do a pattern, did I want to do an ombre look. It just all depends, right, on the look that you're going for. But this was my idea. So all I need is, before I start, because I'm using glue, I'm going to go ahead and bring in the silicone mat. That's the order that I want. So I'm going to set this here. So I'm just going to put some glue on the strips, just as I planned it before. Keeping my work surfaces clean, using the silicone mat. Otherwise, it would get my paper would get all sticky. Trying to do my best. Fortunately, glue is very forgiving, so that you still have time before the glue actually dries to move things around a bit. And it's okay that the pieces are a little longer than they need to be, because we'll trim it down, kind of like give it a haircut, I feel like. And then, so that's what it looks like uncut. I'm going to give it a second to dry. And I also use the framelets from the Frame Florets die set. So I cut this one out. We'll be attaching that. Let me get my snips. So you just flip it over to this side. You can see the glue is still drying, but I'm going to go ahead and just trim it. And all the pieces just following along the circle. It's a funny tip. I used to be a teacher, so I still have some overhead transparencies. You can use that also for the plastic part. And this is your floating circle. I'm going to grab some foam strips. And what I usually do is just take a strip off of here, flip this over, and I'm just going to hide the foam strips on the back of the circle. And that's just going to raise it up a little bit, give it some dimension. Peel those off. want the light? Yeah, I think I want the dark color on the top. Oh, what do you think? Yeah, dark color on top. And then a little glue. And you could also use adhesive sheets for this. But I'm going to go ahead and use the glue while I have it out because I forgot to use the adhesive sheets. And then you just adhere that to the side for a little pop of color. Hold that down a bit. And there you go. Floating circle card. And this is the one I showed you before. And here's another one I did the reverse. I actually embossed the sheets. So you can tell me if you like that look or the other look better. So thanks for letting me share this with you and put my cap back on. If you'd like to view more video tutorials like this, please subscribe to my video channel, sharing it with you. And also you can like, comment, and share with others that are interested in it. I really appreciate it. Thanks a lot and have a great day. Bye.